Hello and welcome back to the place where good mornings begin. Today we're whisking you away on a whirlwind tour of quick, delicious breakfast recipes that will have you out the door in no time. First on our taste tour is a twist on the classic avocado toast. Gather your ripe avocado and a slice of whole grain bread. Mash that avocado to a creamy consistency and spread it generously on your toast. Here comes the twist. Top it off with some cherry tomatoes, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. And just like that, you have a gourmet breakfast in 5 minutes flat. Now, we're moving on to the magic of the microwave with a mug omelet. Whisk your eggs, toss in your favorite veggies, sprinkle some cheese, and add a pinch of salt. Then, send it for a spin in the microwave for a couple of minutes. Voila! A fluffy, mess-free omelet ready to be devoured. For the sweet enthusiasts, we have a Greek yogurt parfait in a jar. Layer your preferred Greek yogurt with a handful of granola, a bounty of fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey. This is a nutritious breakfast that you can whip up in 5 minutes. Sweet, simple, and so satisfying. Next, we have a breakfast that's perfect for those on-the-go mornings. The peanut butter banana wrap. Slather peanut butter on a whole grain tortilla, add some sliced bananas, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for good measure. Roll it up and you have a portable breakfast packed with energy. Finally, we have a treat for the forward planners. Overnight chia seed pudding. The night before, mix chia seeds with your choice of milk, add a hint of sweetener, and let it rest in the fridge. Come morning, top it off with your favorite fruits for a nutritious, time-saving breakfast that's as tasty as it is convenient. So there you have it, 5 breakfast recipes that take just 5 minutes to make. Quick, easy, and delectably delicious. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes, and share in the comments which breakfast has caught your taste buds' attention. Until next time, happy cooking and have a fantastic day.